I'm ready to go outside today. Yesterday I wanted to go out, but it was raining and it was cloudy. I was like, oh hell no, but today is sunny and I'm ready. I'm going to go IKEA, as you can see from the title. My first time going, and I feel like I've been there already because, you know, I've seen videos, but it's not the same thing as actually going in and seeing and touching and doing the thing. So, wish me luck. I heard it's like a big warehouse, so I hope they have other stores around it, but I don't know. First time going, so we'll see when we get there. See you in the next clip. Hey guys, I'm still on the road. I've been looking for the bus stop for the past 30 to 40 minutes. Me and Katani's been looking for it. We found one bus stop. Actually, the problem is that we have a lot of bus stops around here. And I don't travel on buses in New York anymore. I don't live in Queens, I live in Brooklyn. I travel on the train. And because of that, I don't know where the bus stops are. Google's not really helpful. It's telling me this area. First, they didn't want to talk. Doing all these foolishnesses. I don't know. I found a bus stop, but the bus stop I need goes the opposite way. So, it's not helpful. I don't know if a bus is down here. Like, and the guy told me to come down here and there's no bus down here. Like, I'm so confused. I'm so annoyed. Annoyed and confused. So, Katanya saw her first car accident. Everybody looked like it was okay. It's like a little fender bender. And that's what's going on right now. Like, I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to say. I'm still looking. Yo, they have a... Hold up. There's another supermarket over here? I promise you, I live over here for 3 years. And I don't come over here. I didn't know we had a supermarket over here. I knew we had a Simone, but I didn't really... I thought it was farther from my house and it wasn't. But it's crazy to turn right onto Flushing Avenue. I don't even know. There's a supermarket over here I do not know about. I'm about to come over here. Because why not? I wonder what the prices are in here. Oh, guys. It's like a small community over here. Oh, boy. I feel like I've been walking. I wonder if this is new. Does it look bougie? You have to pay a little money. I haven't seen this in a while. Pay money to get a cart. I don't know. I don't think any bus stops are around here. So, I think I did the wrong thing. I don't know, sorry. I'm lost. This other side of the thing is not even that far from my house. Look like a different world. I need to come over here and see how over here is. Like, whoa. Oh, I remember when they said they're gonna open this up. Oh, I'm about to come here. They're offering jobs for this. But I didn't know they built it over here. I don't come over here, so it's like, why would I think come over here? But people in this area over here though, getting their food. Oh, I can put my kids over here too. It'll be closer. I can get to my house. Well, no, it's not close to my house. It's expensive as hell. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm walking to. Like, oh, this is so frustrating. I'm just walking very carelessly. I don't know where I'm going. This is so annoying. I just want to go to IKEA. I hope I get to IKEA today. Like, I hope I'm just not rummaging and not getting anywhere. Because that's what I feel like. I'm just going and not getting anywhere. I see a bus. I don't know if that's up, huh? A 5? We go to this. Girl, you're not saying nothing. You're not saying nothing good to me. Okay, let's try to make this. Alright, what bus is that? Oh my god, it's so high. Go, baby. Oh, I'm dying. I'm about to ask somebody what the hell this thing is. Like, I'm so confused. Oh, guys, I'm lost. Hold on, guys. So, I asked the man where to go. He told me he took out his phone. For some reason, like, I don't do GPS unless it talks to me directly. And this thing was not giving me proper information, so that didn't help. My hair kind of nodded. I still like this weave, though. Come, Katanya. I don't know if this is my light or not. I'm coming. Oh, boy. Lord. Katanya, we're not trying to find a house right now. We're trying to get the damn IKEA. You talking about stuff that's not irrelevant right now. Not irrelevant. We're talking about stuff that's not irrelevant. If it's not irrelevant, it's not helping me, sis. Okay? I gotta make sure I ask the bus driver what stop this is too. Make sure I get up at the stop to come home. I took my flight left onto whatever. Foolishness. How long I've been asking you where to go? Tell me nothing but foolishness. I got the bus stop. Well, I hope this is it. Now I hope I'm at the work. Like, and there's no train station around here to go. So, what is this? Our bus stop is here. Thank you, Jesus. The guy just told me to come over here. He told me the other one was. This one was closer to where we were a while ago. The guy told me to go somewhere else. Long. Foolishness. Is there a train around here I could buy a metro card at? That's a good question. I should ask somebody. I have metro cards, but I don't know if I have money on them. I hope I do. Let's go look for. I know where a metro card is. Over here. Oh my gosh. Solid. Huh? Why are you pointing down there like I'm going down? We're not going down there. Red. Okay. All these names over here sound like Queens names. Like I'm in Queens and I'm not. I'm in Brooklyn. It's crazy. It's been a crazy past. How long was this? I don't want to be there all night. Why's my watch not working? It shouldn't be dead. I was charged it before I got outside. You know what? Watch is dead? I definitely charged before I got outside. It was like when I waked up this afternoon, it was at 20-something%. I came out the house, but I charged it before I left the house a little bit. Not a lot, but it could last for a long time. And I was dead. Like, I'm confused. This crazy. If I had a little small nigga like this. But I'm confused. Oh my gosh. Man, this bus needs to hurry the hell up. I've been looking for this bus for the past how long? Shoot. How long I've been looking for this damn bus? This is crazy. I will not be full either. I got time for the foolishness. I got time for the foolishness. If the stop don't get nothing to me that stop though, that's just the last one. Like, I don't know. Huh? Like, my hair is nodding up. I should have put the style I'm originally gonna have, and I wouldn't have this problem right now. What's wrong? You want to eat a muffin? Yeah. Alright, guys, we're about to eat a muffin. Hold on. I don't know how close we were. I don't know how close the GPS told me, but IKEA! Come, baby. Oh my gosh. Girl, be careful. I should have followed the damn cow. I think I'll take out my damn stuff. Come, baby. I think it's this way. I don't know. Yeah, we're in a parking lot. Does it have an elevator?
There's some stairs.
I know, I'm trying to find an elevator. Oh, sorry. This is entrance. So, entrance. Oh my gosh. escalator.
Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, my pants is hurting me. Ooh, it feels so fancy. My daughter is just like me.
It's blue. They came to the escalator.
Yeah. Ooh, guys, I'm so excited.
My favorite color.
IKEA.
I want to go down.
Hija. That's how you say hello in Sweden. Enjoy. Okay. It's not what I expected so far. I thought I'll see a little bit more. Okay, showroom. The showroom is upstairs. Hold on. Let's look on this floor and go up to the next floor. Let's see what's here. Oh my gosh. Join the movement. Yeah, different escalators to come back down, baby. Yes, to life. Ooh. Oh. They have food here? What?
Get back down.
That's an escalator, another escalator, KK. I think this is where you check out, baby. All right, let's go to the showroom. What the thing said. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Entrance, showroom, restrooms, whatnot. Let me put this thing on my arm so it doesn't fall. Ooh, so exciting. So exciting. Hopefully don't tell me to come off my camera.
These ones are not good.
I don't hear that much music, so that's good. I don't think I hear music at all, actually. Ooh, make sure it's not. Make sure it's not zoomed. Ooh, fancy. I feel like it's right now, because I always had a big idea of IKEA. Right now, it's kind of disappointing me. Probably I didn't see enough. Not what I expected at all.
You don't touch.
No, you don't touch.
No, you.
Oh, my thing is on. Who are you talking to sometimes? I don't be knowing. Telling me not to touch. Ooh, it smells good though. And the light came up the other day too in the damn apartment. This would be nice to have. Ooh, this smells like. Ooh.
This orange one smells good.
Okay. It's cheap enough. It's $1.49 a pop.
This one smells like melon.
I don't know about that.
Why don't you take pictures if you think of some ideas?
This one smells like ice cream.
But over here, over there, people good.
Should I get a bag to bring the stuff in? Oh, no, we don't need that. You know what? If I want this that bad, I'll come back for it.
Mommy, can we go over there so cool?
I don't want to be carrying around this in my hands. I don't have to. So come. A smart solution. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, Kiki. Ooh, that's not gonna be our kitchen though.
I know. You can live in here all day.
All right, let's go. As I'm afraid I told you earlier, but I think I did.
We could buy.
Be careful for a dresser. So that's what we had. Because Tanya's done it with her left. That's when she broke it. So she broke it. It lasted about 2 years and change. But kid furniture doesn't usually last longer than that. I don't know. Stuff is cheaper than I expected. People say that IKEA furniture is not that great. I don't know. Tanya, where you going, sis? But it's not like it's like a. I don't know. I don't like that kind of rocking chair.
Sit on the rocking rocking chair.
For what? Alright, go in the rocking chair. Oh God. Shopping with a kid is the worst. I always wanted one of these when I was pregnant with Katanya. You see like in the movies, see people rocking chairs. I always wanted that. Never got it.
I love it. I'm like a mommy.
You like a what? You like a what?
I'm like a mommy carrying a baby.
Oh, cat. Really?
Yes.
Y'all heard her? Oh my God. Come, Stinky. Come. It's gonna be fun when I leave you. Everybody, furniture here is very cheap, but it's functional. If you don't have the money like that, it's definitely amazing.
Whoa, there's clothing here.
It's showing you how your house might look.
Whoa. Look at this.
Oh God. That's how kids get lost. Oh my God, guys. Katanya, don't get yourself lost in here. What?
I love exploring.
I guess they just make a maze for everything to go through. You have to go through everything. They want to see everything on purpose. They make it into a maze. Calm down, baby. Calm down.
Oh, this is so cool.
I should have got something like this for my apartment. But I think what I have holds more stuff. Katanya, come back. Come back. You cannot be running around like that. I should have got something like this for my apartment. This is sturdy, too. It's sturdier than what I have. Like the other one's going to fall.
Oh, it's all over there.
Oh, my gosh.
Well, we can't buy it. I just want to look inside.
Look at the fake clothes. Real fake clothes. This is cute. This one was cute. Katanya, we don't need stuff. Oh my God. I guess we could look in the room because the room. Oh God. Katanya. Girl. Let's go. Ooh, look at this. It's fancy. Oh, I love this. Like another room. My house is for me. KK. Girl. See, I would like something big like this, actually. But is this too big for your room?
Well, we can't buy it.
Why? Why we can't buy it?
Yeah, because it looks high. It looks like somebody else.
Cause honey, that's what we're here for, to buy furniture. That's how you do. You look at it, and then you take what you want. I wonder if this is too big for your room. It's gonna be big for her room, but I think we're gonna have to just do it. Take up the space, because we have so much clothes. And I can share stuff for her. I was looking for one like half the size. I wasn't really looking for one this long. But KK. She's too excited. I'm just like regular clothes today, guys. Of course, ripped jeans as always. I have some ripped jeans. KK. Honey, just wait, please, wait. I don't know how you're supposed to do this IKEA thing. I'm trying to figure it out. I should have brought my little light so I could see myself.
Someone definitely lives here.
Nobody lives here.
But I see a picture of something.
Yeah, it's fake pictures. They set it up. People look like they live here, like you can feel yourself living here. This is only $129. You joking?
But they put real clothes. But you sell the whole place.
I don't know. I don't think this is it. There's no way this could be it. It has to be something else.
I love the sheep.
So I'm gonna take a picture of the stuff that I want and like. And
Mommy, do you want to look at
my gosh, Katanya, wait! I don't know if this is a ticket for this. I can't tell. Girl, this girl getting on my nerves. I'm gonna come back to you. I'm gonna try to take pictures as I can and do what I can because this child's doing too much. Katanya, stay with me. Stop moving around. Ooh. I would hate that shower thingy. This is cute.
With, even towels in it. Oh, then you have clothes.
Come, Katanya. That's how you get lost. Ooh, that'd be nice if we could like get stuff in there.
Oh, there's even a mirror in the washing.
Oh, look at the little. Well, I need to get. They have that here. I need to get. Come, Katanya. I need to get the thingy for the curtains in my apartment. Come, KK. No, come. You're trying to go off on other things we're not here for. We're not here for other stuff. We're here for a dresser. That's it. Shopping with this kid is like, I don't know. That's new, they said. I don't know. I'm happy there's no music in here. Ooh. I don't plan to be here for nothing I don't need, you know? I only want to get things that I need. I need curtains. I need to get the thing for my shower. The curved thingy. Come, KK. And the dresser. I'm really here for the dresser, though. What is this? Oh my gosh. Girl, stop pulling things out. Yeah. No seeing inside. Come. Yo, shopping with a kid it's a full-time job. Let's go. No, we're not looking.
We need a drawer for
We're looking for a dresser, not a drawer. And so a drawer is like one. A dresser holds a lot of clothes in it.
I saw some over there.
Where? Sonny, nothing over here is going to be for your room. Katanya, you're taking me on a wild goose chase. That's not for your room. This is what she's talking about. Foolishness. Look at this.
No.
Go. This would be nice if you have a bunch of kids. And if you had space by your door, you put their like stuff when they come in from school, especially with the Rona. Put everything in there. Come, Katanya. I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Hold on. What is this? Oh. Looking at these butterflies. I don't know if these things take me from my path. This place is huge out here, so I'm expecting to walk a very long time. I think they're smart. Like there's nowhere. If there's a fire in here, we all just dying because it's hard to get out of here. I don't like stuff like that. Like you gotta know where exits are and how to get out of places. Here, you can't do that. Ooh. Wish I could have a chair from here. That'd be nice. Katanya, be careful. Somebody's behind you. Sorry. Katanya, they're doing the most. I tell you about that already. Come. Do you just take the chairs and walk with you until you have to go? You have to go? I love that in here doesn't have no stuff. Oh, I would love this actually. I would love this in my apartment. Yes, Katanya. For my makeup and stuff. Apparently a lot of YouTubers have these drawers. But I would just get this to the corner of my little place. Yeah. Those are not what we need. Those are for offices. That's not for your room. But I might get one of these. My furniture is right now is dark.
Damn, you know what I just realized? They didn't have the little
Oh, I think these are better. Okay.
This is mommy. If I get this is money for me. So I think this is what I want to get. I'm actually coming for extra stuff. That is what it is. Because I have some stuff in my room that look like a mess. It looks like a, I don't know how to explain it.
I think these are for you because you get the gray one.
So
Let's see if there's anything in
I say she should get it in white so it's not dark. And all of my furniture are dark already. So it's like, I don't know. I don't know what to do, how to do this thing. So I'm going to take a picture of this.
But how are we going to get it for you?
There's nobody who's working here. Like,
There's no workers here.
so I took a picture of it. And so I'm going to do it. No, you don't look around. That's not your job, sis. No looking around for you. You're going to look around. The small ones will make no sense, but the bigger ones will make more sense.
What? Let's keep looking.
How are we going to put some of them, Katani, because she's in my room all the time? Her school stuff in my room. So at first I thought this was like disappointing, but now I see that it's not. I really do like it in here. Different styles, different things. Yeah, I like it thus far. Yes, Katanya. How are you gonna lose me I'm right behind you? Girl.
Look, how can you even buy heavy stuff?
They have everything. I think I just passed the part with the dresses though. That's the thing. I think that's the only dresses they have.
one of the room sets in your bedroom.
I finally seen your work there since I got here, huh? I know. Sorry. This is for. It's cheap. Oh, it's cheap. Just so you don't take it out by itself. That's all.
This looks more like it.
No, that's not what we're looking for.
But I have all this.
It's almost like this is a. I only have BJ's a little bit because it's like a showroom kind of thing. Probably not like BJ's, like Costco, but
I hear music.
The furniture and stuff.
I hear
Everything.
music, Mommy.
I know. Compared to like TJ Maxx, it's like everything is here. It's just like you have to go through it, you know?
These are just cups.
They're not cups.
I know. These are just buckets.
I guess the rest of the stuff is just stuff. I don't know. Alright guys, I'll take you out to the next plate. This is a smaller version of the one we saw earlier. It would fit better. It has more drawers. I have to look at the drawer space. She's really out here shopping like she really shopping. Ooh.
Wow, dude. I just think wow.
This would be good. Oh, that's not bad. Everything here is really, really cheap. This probably won't last for like a year or so, but it's cheap. Take a picture of this one. This is cute. I thought this is touchable. Is it touchable? No, it's not. Is that? Okay. Take a picture of this.
Ooh, some heavyweight.
I might could put these together. Probably KK. Heavyweight and keep it there, okay?
I strong.
Yeah, you strong to hurt your back.
Nah.
Excuse me.
Look inside, like
This is not yours.
the kitchen, like
Why is she talking like this is hers? Girl, come back here. This kid.
there's even everywhere.
Lord Jesus. Shopping with her has been... Yeah, I can't even see me.
Even water from the
Yes, I can. Sorry. My brain. Shopping with her has been crazy. Crazy. Shopping with her has been not the best experience. Come, little girl. Not the best experience whatsoever. Bringing a kid shopping with you is like, I don't know. Okay, see those? KK? Come. I'm here. I'm here. Oh, this is cute.
They just want to look at this fruit.
But I need cute, but I also need stuff with space in it. If it's cute in no space, like it's not gonna be helpful.
I really want to look at the fruit.
Girl, I got a drill set, but I have a drill ready. Probably this would be good. I feel like it'll pop out too much, but and these drawers look like big enough. I like the other one though. Oh. Her other drawer initially couldn't fit that much stuff, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, I saw the other drawer. Not in this vlog, but it was a different vlog. Okay, so these are the ones I see. I don't see nothing dark. Oh, stuff on top. I saw one at Burlington, not Burlington. Right now I'm finding it, but it costs dough, and I don't think kids need stuff for crazy money because they don't take care of nothing. These things feel cheap as hell. Ooh, this is nice.
Some of these and
This is a good size.
and I go put on my clothes at the top first with the box.
This girl took a bit of fart in my ears. There's a problem with these woods though. These woods are not good. But this feels better than the one I was doing the other day. I'm gonna get somebody else to build it for me. I'm not into the building.
You could get this like
And I'm not getting something that's small, Katanya.
you need a big one.
Yeah, it's like the ones I've been seeing.
It's so hot.
So zip on your coat. It's so hot. I can't see your face. It's so hot. I can see your face.
I'm hungry.
Don't take it off though. You're not eating in here either, so don't get too hungry. Get unhungry, alright?
I can't.
Well, too bad, too sad.
It's not too sad.
Ooh. Ugh. And because it's gonna be by her door, she doesn't need to have too much handles, so it's good to not have handles. I don't know how to explain it, but we gotta stay with this kind of lines. Girl.
This one,
That'd be so cool.
it would be perfect.
This would be so good to have a wardrobe in my room. I would love that. The wardrobes in my room are broken right now.
Whoa! I could have this.
Let me see what this is. I'm walking away from the shenanigans.
No, it's good.
Please don't break the next dress that we have. Please, I'm asking you. I'm imploring you.
This could be good.
These are wood hangers.
This is.
I'm not putting no mirrors in your room. I don't know how you coming out. This is. I've never seen a hanger like this. Y'all see hangers like this? I don't know.
I could just go in here and then hit the
Girl, do not even go in there. Don't go in there. You're not going there. Like, y'all know, y'all see what's going on. You see how she's trying to bust my brain? I need to come here one day where she's not with me when school starts, so I can have a break and just look at things and just investigate, you feel me? Because you can't do real investigation when these kids are not doing what they got to do. Every minute she's sitting down, she's talking, she's doing something. All I want her to do is just walk forward. Yeah, she work here, but she goes to busy. Wonderful. Cute. Okay. I think we're almost to the end, I hope. It's been a long way. Cute. Oh, this is cute. Like a nice little kid room. Girl kids room. Ooh, that's cute. I was looking at a bed for like this for her too. But she don't need a bed right now, so I'm like, you don't need that. I'm just scared that she falls over the top because she does foolishness. This would be nice, especially now, these times.
And my bed is kind of broken anyway.
Yeah.
I'm still not buying it. And look at this comfy chair.
Let's go, child. This bed, and this is how it looks. It's like, why? Then for laundry, we have a laundry thing already. Guys, I don't know. Talk to you guys in the next. Oh, this is velvet. I'm looking for this. Is not velvet. This is this plastic kids one. This is bigger than her regular kids thingy. It's cute. Kids thingy. Children's IKEA.
These are rainbow.
Let's see what children's IKEA got to do. Children's IKEA. You're not getting any of those.
Blah, blah,
Blah,
blah.
blah, blah. You're going to drive me crazy, child. Talk to y'all in the next one. But I don't want to teddy bear for myself, though. From Children's IKEA. Ooh, look at this dog.
Yes, it's so cute.
I want it for myself, not
It's
for
so
you.
soft.
He is so soft. Ooh. I'll have to wash him.
Oh, it looks so cute for me.
No, for me.
No, it's for me.
Katanya, you're not getting enough. You have enough. You have enough dogs. She has enough stuff, like for her.
It's so fuzzy and cute.
I'm done.
I'm getting this one.
You're not getting any of them. I don't know why you're walking around with a teddy bear for. The bear, the polar bear doesn't look as comfy. I like the monkey. I was watching a thing on YouTube when the monkey had killed this person. I don't know how I feel about that.
I found the dinosaur. I've been looking for this for
Done. Anyway, guys, talk to you guys later. There's more. Like, this is a whole separate floor. The first floor from the beginning. Like, I can't even. I found this thing again, so I got these. I wish you get bigger candles, but I'll take these for now. They smell good. Oh my gosh, it's just a lot of crap. Whew.
I can get that.
I'll get it and give it to you. Card. So I made the payment. Not payment. I didn't make the payment. Yeah, I made the thing for the. Y'all know how IKEA works. You know how it works. You have to basically order it, and then you can go pay for it after. So that's what I'm gonna do. The guy said, you know, there's more stuff out, and I'm picking up some candles. He said, like, what? And I thought it was a different floor he's talking about, but I think they have 3 floors with the stuff. That's crazy. I guess I found something to my bathroom. The stuff I'm supposed to get people, they end up being sold out because I really need it now. I feel like going nowhere else. I just picked this other one, but I didn't even see it. The one that she showed me, I didn't even see it, to be honest. So, and it's pretty big too. And I'm getting the little drawer thing that, you know, all the YouTubers be getting. Because I have a space in my room. Jesus Christ, Katanya. Push the car properly so I don't get on my foot. The car is very shifty. You have to make sure to do it properly, okay? Oh my God, I felt it throughout my whole foot. Jesus Christ. She hit the thing on my foot. Oh boy, guys. He's walking with a limp now. Thanks to my baby and this damn IKEA cart. Oh, I'm not gonna make this spoil my trip. So, yeah. That's what's going on so far. I'm looking for a thing. I want them from Target and discount stores. The soap dispenser thingies. I forgot to sort them out. And they are basically a mess. So I don't want them anymore. Not those brands. I'm gonna try IKEA brand. IKEA works out. Is it handy? Don't put your hands in your face. I see soap. I just want dispensers. Oh, these are little dispensers. Actually,
They're shooting good.
these are the only ones they have.
But
I want to get one for the bathroom and for the kitchen. One in the bathroom that I had them, it broke.
Yes.
Alright, let's get these two. Put in the cart. Put in the cart, please. I'm gonna look around if they have any more. Oh, they have more right there. Right. You can't leave the cart for time. The stuff is in the cart. I'm looking for a plunger too. The plunger I have is garbage. It's not doing the plunger job. Let me see if these are better than the glass ones. The one I got from Target, the part right here broke off and it's plastic. Maybe this would be better. I'll have one just for a backup. So apparently we go through them a lot. And I don't buy soap in the small container. I buy them as like a big one. So it's like refillable. So
You can get these ones.
I got that one already. So put that one back. Oh gosh. Girl. They have some more right here.
Over here.
Okay. I'm coming. Where is it? Oh, I'm coming. Oh. I hear some music now too. I don't want to be outside late. That's the problem. It's really 7 something. I don't know where she's taking me right now. These are nice too. I had one like this and it broke also. We have had a lot of these
Yes, I was talking
soap
about that.
dispensers. They break. The one I really want is like you put your hand under it and they run by batteries. That's the one I really want.
The one that you put like this and this.
Maybe I'll get this instead of. We just gotta make sure we use it properly. To the plastic.
I mean, you want the one that you put your hand over and just squirts like hand sanitizer?
Yeah. Put those back. No, I just gave it to you. Put those here. Put those back. Girl, you gotta focus. Alright, so hopefully these won't break or crack like my other ones. The top came over this. Hopefully it won't break or crack. I don't know. Let's go.
I want to find the one that is just squirts out with your hands under it.
I don't think they're gonna have it here. My foot is hurting me still from what she hit the cart hit my foot. Look at this IKEA. If you haven't seen IKEA before, I wonder if they have a thing for the curve. This is it, isn't it? I want the curve one. KK, please don't go far. They don't have the curve one though. Ooh. I'm not realizing it's closed. I want the curved one. Watch the cart, please. Watch the cart. I thought something would be different around here. Well, these are nice too. These are cute. I get dark colors sometimes, but you know, nothing special. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So So hey guys, what's up? I'm sorry for the background noise, you know. But thank you for watching, and this is only part 1, so you'll see the part 2 in a following video if you got this far to even hear this message. I hope you did. You're amazing. Put a smiley face in my comment section if you came this far, okay guys? Bye!